Influenza, flu, vaccine. Introduction. The influenza vaccine is a preventive vaccine used to protect against influenza virus infection, commonly known as the flu. Influenza is a highly contagious respiratory illness that can cause mild to severe disease and may lead to serious complications, especially in elderly people, children, pregnant women, and patients with chronic diseases. Types of influenza vaccine. Influenza vaccines are prepared based on circulating viral strains each year. The main types include Inactivated influenza vaccine, IIV, killed virus, most common. Live attenuated influenza vaccine, LAIV, weakened live virus, nasal spray. Recombinant influenza vaccine, RIV, produced using recombinant technology. Vaccines may be trivalent, 3 strains, or quadrivalent, 4 strains. Composition. The influenza vaccine usually contains antigens from Influenza A, H1N1. Influenza A, H3N2. Influenza B, Victoria and/or Yamagata lineage. These strains are updated annually according to WHO recommendations. Mechanism of action. The influenza vaccine stimulates the immune system to produce specific antibodies against influenza virus antigens. These antibodies help neutralize the virus and prevent infection or reduce disease severity upon exposure. Indications, uses. The influenza vaccine is recommended for elderly individuals, greater than or equal to 65 years. Children, greater than or equal to 6 months of age. Pregnant women. Healthcare workers. Patients with chronic diseases, asthma, diabetes, heart disease. Immunocompromised patients. Dosage and schedule. Adults, 0.5 milliliters intramuscular injection once yearly. Children, 6 months, 8 years. First-time vaccination, 2 doses, 4 weeks apart. Previously vaccinated, 1 dose annually. Vaccination is recommended every year before flu season. Route of administration. Intramuscular, IM, deltoid muscle, adults. Anterolateral thigh, infants. Intranasal, for live attenuated vaccine only. Side effects. Common side effects include pain, redness, or swelling at injection site. Mild fever. Headache. Fatigue. Muscle aches. Rare but serious reactions. Allergic reactions. Guillain-Barré syndrome, very rare. Contraindications. Severe allergy to vaccine components. History of severe allergic reaction to previous influenza vaccine. Live vaccine contraindicated in pregnancy and immunocompromised patients. Benefits. Reduces risk of influenza infection. Prevents severe complications and hospitalizations. Protects vulnerable populations. Helps control seasonal influenza outbreaks. Storage. Store at 2 to 8 degrees Celsius. Do not freeze. Protect from light. Public health importance. Annual influenza vaccination is a key strategy in reducing morbidity and mortality associated with seasonal influenza and helps decrease the burden on healthcare systems.